Yeah, guys, so it's been a while since you've been hearing from me, you know, because, we're doing the little 9 to 5. That is why you haven't heard from me in a while. But, guys, trust me, I come on the Windward Road again and I see this beautiful lady on the sidewalk again. So I'm going to do something different. Normally, come out and catch them when I'm cook, but she said, what she do now, so she do it from her home. You understand? So, what she says, she just do it from her home. She live nearby, and then she come right off here. So today we're going to tear a look at soup and so she have, so I really want you guys to come and give her a support right here. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to do something different right off here on Windward Road. So I'm going to look a tour, a little walk by, you understand? So I'm going to give you a little walk by right off here. So everybody don't know about Windward Road, man. You can take this, go downtown, where you do a little shop in the ground provision. You can take this road again, go to airport, you understand? So this is the strip right off here. So we're going to the tent right there, but first look, I get a look view of the road over there right now. Yeah, guys, so this is the road right there right now on Windward Road. Yeah, man, so you drive this road here, go town. This is all the taxi them passing by that goes by town. Yeah, man, and straight up there. Yes, so boss, bless, you go up the road up there. Yeah, man, you go like to the airport. Also you can go by the stadium. Yeah, man, so this is the road up the tour right off here. So beautiful church right over there. You remember the post office, so you see a little love letter to the girl them and the granny them are foreign right over there. So yeah, man, so post office now do the thing them again. And down there now we have like a bank. Yeah, so right over there we have like a blue tent. We see this beautiful chef right on the blue tent. Yeah, man. So what we're going to do, we are going to go under the blue tent and meet this lovely lady and see all what she do, so she have a little custom on there right now. So we're just going right on a little blue tent right here. Yes, man. Yeah, guys, so this is the beautiful lady I'm talking to you about.
Hi.
Here she is. Yes, man. So how are you giving me name, I'm
Tanisha.
Tanisha. Yeah, man, this is great. Tanisha, that door, I look a soup. What on there? Soup alone do Tanisha?
Yeah.
You know the
For now.
For now?
Yeah.
So what about the breadfruit? The breadfruit time now and the roast breadfruit?
About week after next, I'm going to do it.
Yeah, going to do some
week
breadfruit.
after next, I'm going to do the breadfruit.
Yes.
I'm going to do rice and peas and chicken.
Oh, so you step up the thing?
Yeah.
Tanisha says she'll step up the thing. Alright, so the great Tanisha, so what you just do today is Saturday. You normally come out here on Friday and Saturday?
Every day.
Every day?
Yeah.
Every day. Except Sunday?
SPS.
Except Sunday, so she got church on Sunday. Alright, so here we go now. So what are you doing in that big pretty pot over here? So soup
red
alone?
Peas.
Red peas.
Red peas.
Red peas soup.
Red peas chicken with cold skin.
Ooh, beautiful guy, look at it, look at it.
And
She said, come late, She said, gone down,
And this is the kong.
Oh, the Kong soup.
Yeah.
Kong soup. So what on there? How are you talking about Kong soup? Me and the man in Jamaica say boy, they love Kong soup. Why that, Tanisha? What's about the Kong soup?
Them say because they say the Kong give them more strength. They say can make them produce baby. I don't know how they make that. Because me and the man, Them are the man. But me love it, but me have a problem with it.
Oh, so you love it too?
Yeah,
so what's up?
So and the steamed fish.
Oh, so when you drink it, what do you do for you?
It don't really do nothing for me, because me and a man.
You're a man.
More.
Alright, so me and man, so you know, dish so I can drink and big bowl. No man, ready to feed it, man. Tanisha go feed dish too, No man, she want, I come and she want pump me already. After me I talk about the Kong, she want come give me big dish. See the dish too, See the dish there.
Yes,
See the dish
that
there.
is the dish.
Yeah, man, she go for give me a while ago. But guys, trust me, we meet the beautiful ladies, and I see she have some nice lady with her sister, cousin.
Daughter, sister.
Hold on there. How big man me talk to?
Yeah.
After me see you, so look around me and talk to you.
Yeah.
Tanisha says she a big man, what? 26?
No, 34.
34. Guys, you have to go drink more soup from her, because guess what? Keep you young and fresh. Yes, man, young and fresh. I know why you come out here and give her your little support. Yes, man, so today we're going to tell you our soup is and our little Kong. And like I said, guys, it's a different thing with David and Taste Bud. I'm going to walk because the people, them see me now, she alone, I come find out. So I say, alright, here, a different flex or a different segment. We're going to just walk by and make it so I go on. But them say, Tanisha come first. She cross the line first, so she come first. So make it so I go on here now. Yeah, man. Right off here. Guys, right here. Big pretty pot right here. over there, she says our daughter, but I don't believe her. No.
This is my daughter.
I don't believe her. It's her daughter, I can move like she's shy. I mean, no, she gets away from it.
She's famous.
Yeah, man. She famous?
She's famous
What?
on TikTok and Instagram.
And then big up yourself, man. What's your name on TikTok?
Hi guys, I'm Simas Ashik on Instagram and it's Ashik on TikTok.
Alright, watch me a yard now, no. Watch me a yard now. So, she says she's a famous TikToker, you know. So, you know, she needs a YouTuber right now. So she not do no work today because she's going to lay upon the soup. She's going to lay away upon some soup. A soup come lay upon or the cock soup. Which one they come lay upon? The
Cock soup.
The cock soup. Alright. So, out of you or mommy, who are the best cooker now?
Mommy.
Mommy. So, she can cook, mommy? You can cook dumpling?
Yeah.
Or you cook dumpling? What the first thing you do? You put her on the spot. What the first thing you do? Cook dumpling?
But I know what up on the stove.
No man. Anyway, she right. Go on again. Yeah.
Then you put the flour in the dish.
Another dish.
Put in the flour, then you put water in it and you flour.
Ah, but hold on now, guys. So the little TikToker never put the salt in it, but anyway, I thought she said, Gary, yeah, but we're off fun over here, man. So we're gonna come here and meet the next girl left to, you know. See how you? I don't want to. Actually, me meet yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I saw this little pretty lady over here yesterday. What's she name? Chun Chun?
No,
Tunas. Weird. Chun Chun.
Tunas.
Tunas. Alright, dearest Tunas. So, Tunas, you come help Mr. Nisha?
Yeah, because the summer will just come.
Oh, the summertime, so instead of doing my watching a TV, you come just hang out with Tanisha and learn how to cook dumpling, but you put salt tonight, you know. Don't forget to put salt tonight. Yes, Tanisha go fire you. Yeah, but she favor you.
This is my sister.
She favor you. So you have Tanisha 1 and Tanisha 2.
Yeah.
Are true? Right, you know. Tanisha 1 and Tanisha 2. But Tanisha is here, you know, guys. Tanisha is here with her daughter and her family. They don't come support them come support her mommy and thing. But she said she's gonna do rice and peas and some porridge.
No, I'm not doing porridge because somebody's going to do the porridge.
Oh, porridge and the porridge. So what about juice?
I was planning to blend. Yeah, I'm going to do the blend juice.
You do some natural juice?
Yeah.
Nice.
But that's I do them the next month. I have red beans with chicken put on cold skin and I have kung soup.
Yes, yeah, our customer them stop by. Taxi guy them not run them soup.
I have 6 and I have 8.
Look up for them soup.
Yeah, I have 3 too.
Yeah man, guys, so right here the beautiful Tanisha is doing her soup and the taxi man them pass and Tanisha too, so what? See I promote the Coca-Cola though. Where that juice? What the quote there? And I find this one?
No, I'm putting a day here.
Oh, your favorite sister son?
Persons are selling.
Oh, your favorite sister son. Hold on there. Also make me step out them and slap you. In your head.
I don't know, people so feel about me to see it.
No, well me see it, you know.
I don't know.
You favor your sister, but I don't tell her like about a trick me, you know.
I'm the pretty one, right?
Too pretty. One name Tana, one name Tanisha. Yeah guys, having fun out here with them. Having fun. So we're gonna find out the size. So like how your big sister share the soup now. So you can show me the dish and the size and the price.
No problem. This is the small one. She sold this for the.
So that's the baby size?
Yes.
So how much the baby size?
This for $300.
$300.
Conch and pea soup.
So conch soup and the regular soup are the same price?
Yeah.
$300 and that. Nice.
This one is $400.
$400 for that one.
But this, the conch are for $500.
Oh,
And
in
the
that
pea-
size?
Yes, and the peas are for $400.
Alright.
This size are for $600.
$600.
For the conch, $700.
Alright guys. So what like we're going on guys, because I soup, you know. And you know say Tanisha, I'm gonna call her sister Tantan. Yeah man, you know, so I'm gonna come out with them rice and peas. The next time I come back here I'm gonna see the rice and peas and I'm gonna give my second flex, you know, yeah, but she said she go wait until she get bigger. When the table get bigger, yeah man, the small table, and the sister right here, she go sell the rice and peas, and she go cook it. Yeah man, and she go get it the natural juice. Yes man, see right here now, I'm gonna see her again, see her there. And she go do the natural juice and the rice and peas on the side right off here. Yeah man, so from Monday to Saturday, and Chun Chun. Yeah, Chun Chun.
Tunas.
We love the name there, you better name Chun Chun from today, you know? So you still go school?
Yeah.
Still go school. So what? 5th form?
8th grade. We are going to 9th grade.
8th grade. Oh, baby, she's a little baby man. Yes man. But anyway, she'll learn the tactics of how to cook. Yeah man. So like I said, We are on Winward Road. Yeah man, the famous Winward Road where you find town and you can go by the airport, you go by the stadium when you have track and field, and on this strip right here. Basically when you come on to food, I tell you already guys, this is not the first time I'm on this strip of road. So I'm telling you, cooking go on the road like the amount of church right on the road, I saw cooking go on. From the stretch go right back down to town. Yeah man. See there? And guys, like I said, I'm going to do a little walk by Cabrera, go down the road down there so I can meet some other person that's doing some cooking. Yeah man, so I use 1 stone and kill 2 birds, maybe 3 birds. Yeah man, so I go taste Tanisha little soup and make a sewer go on. Yeah man. So Tanisha said she want to give me the conch soup, but I could taste a little conch soup when you done it, Tanisha. Yeah man. Tanisha, like a customer name come the same way travel her to you. Yeah man, so that's the big size. So what's the big size here, Tanisha? 7 bills for the big size. Nice.
This is red piece, so price different.
Oh, the red piece price different.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Alright. So why not say the red piece again? Cow skin.
Chicken foot with cow skin.
Chicken foot with cow skin. Ooh. So what about the dumpling? Dumpling night?
Yeah, foodie night.
Foodie
Irish,
night.
sweet potato.
Yeah.
Dumpling.
Nice. Yeah, well, what's the chicken foot a rolling night, man? If you don't believe, check the camera. The nice customer say, you put the meat in it, you know. Make sure the meat in it. Come on, go and eat some meat. Yes, man, but we see the meat a drop in, man, and the chicken foot a drop in. That's why I'm going to accept a chicken foot and cow skin, because this is some meat that flying in a little dish right there. Yeah, man, so, you know, we buck up on the guys in the last time, so we buck up on some woman now. Yeah, man. Beautiful, beautiful guys. Beautiful. But like I said, the young people do them business, you know, and big sister come out to her little sister bring out her daughter. Yeah man, so like that. So in Jamaica we have to try, you know? Yeah man, we have to try. Nice.
Black square.
So you want some water, Tanisha? Or juice? Alright, I'm sitting down and buy it. Yeah man. Yeah, guys, right now it's hot. Oh mama, we don't want to. Yeah, we have food milk pot. We're just going to try the thing now, sure. We don't feel hungry today. Now I don't want the pot. No, I don't want the pot. Yeah, man, so these are the conch. So guys, we're going to try the conch soup right here. Beautiful right here. Yeah man. She want to load me with a big dish in the body. We're wrapping from the yard because the time which is ever come, we literally cook some food at the yard already. So we're not so craving, you know. And we have 2 more stuff. Thick and nice, go. Woo! Done. Boy, this spicy, peppery. Yeah, guys, them know me like pepper, but nevertheless, rough it, drink it. See them here. Very gummy, guys, in other words, very thick. Yeah man, no watery. Yeah man, you know, put no water in it and stretch it. Yeah. You never stretch a soup yet? No man, Tanisha say you mad stretch a soup. You must say crazy. Soup rich and thick. Yeah man. You get everything? Alright. So like I said guys, we're going to walk the street and make sure I go up on Winward Road. Yeah man, so make it work, guys. I've been being out for a while guys, because you know, still the look of 95 and the little work have me from the other day coming tired, you know, so I'm saying, boy, look bad if you can give me a little viewers them a little tour of the road and the restaurant. Come out of the yard now and say, boy, you know what, go up on the road today, go give them something, you know? Yeah man, so we're on the road man, so we can't let the iron dry, you know, so we'll get back on it. So respect for you all who just stick around and waiting for me to come back. So I am back at it, so I'll find a way now how to find find a way how to do the work, to come on the street, to do the flagging, so you guys can get to see what's going on in Jamaica. I want them cook them food. Yeah man, so the soup bad man. So this is a conch soup right here. Conch soup. Yeah man, so we're going guys right here. time happening. I have to give the guys them some juice to drink. Yes. So people make them harder. So Satan, so how long you been cooking now? 10 years, 5 years, 6 years?
7 years. Yes.
7 years you've been cooking. So how long you on the street? And when I say cooking, I mean...
Just say cooking and on the street.
7 years. Nice. Great. And little Tantan, you just come to business or you cook long time? Just from an idea knee. From an idea knee, she cook. Yeah, man. So, the answer fair much. It's a long time she cook. She tell me that already, man. So, what is that? Chicken?
Yeah,
so
the
buy
girl
the chicken.
just bring from there.
Oh, the girl down there?
Yeah.
Up across the road?
Yeah.
Alright, so the chicken what she eating right here, we'll go down there. Because she called me. Yeah, man. So, we'll go down there and see. I want what she do. So, what is that? Pork, chicken. You support
chicken
her?
alone, yeah. Tet.
Nice. So what time you normally go in from off the road?
Depends on what time I finish. If I finish 6 o'clock, I'm going 6 o'clock.
Oh.
Sorry.
Yeah, man.
If I'm not done by 1, 2 o'clock, I'm going in that time the other morning.
Oh. So the time when you tell me to come, you come out long time?
I come out from about 10 o'clock.
I saw earlier there?
Yeah.
Guys, are she?
Because I come catch the funeral.
Oh, so guys, not me. And I mean my apartment be late. She said to come 1 o'clock.
I'm coming.
So I come little bit after 1. Yes, but...
Yeah, but I'm okay with the time.
Nevertheless, guys, we're still here. Yeah, man, we still come catch Tanisha with our beautiful soup. And come along, guys, and come give her support, man. The soup, nice, man. Especially Kong soup. Kong soup, bad, man.
Then when I'm ready for the
red peas. Alright. I'm going to take red peas and I'm going to come back up.
Okay.
I'm going to come back up. Because we're not done yet, we're going on the road.
Yeah.
We'll show them where we're going, but we're going to drink the soup. Alright, so soon we're back.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, so like I said, I'm going to walk down by the road right there. You can see where I'm going on the Windward Road. You know, so you have a lot of food outlet, you know, where you find food, stuff. You have juicy beef patties right there. Yeah, man, so you have the juicy beef patty right there. And also the NCB bank over there. But do you remember that bank over there? Yeah, where you can find the bank right over there. So we're going on the road, guys. Going on the road. So we're passing juicy beef right here. But our roadside business is just right now. So we're going straight across there, so we're going. Yeah, man. So we're going across the road right now. So not to cross the road in Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man. So this lovely lady right here, I'm going to see right now that drew a jerk. Yeah, man. Big up everybody today. Hey, everybody big up today. So different rider today. Right half right here, so. Yeah, man. So this beautiful jerk pan is where you find the soup lady eat the chicken. Right, that's where she get the chicken from. Nice. Yeah, guys. So right here, we'll get the chicken up the road. The girl that eat the chicken under the soup tent. Right here, she get it. From the beautiful lady over there. That says she's shy. See her there? That says she's shy. Yeah, no. Don't come, man, cause me shy. You better come show them what you do today. Yes, man, see her over there. But don't come today. Don't come for me today. I am shy. So what you do today?
Jerk chicken.
So you're not going to do the jerk chicken alone?
The jerk chicken and chips.
Chicken and chips? Right off here. So you do chicken and chips today? Or later? Or not tonight?
No, not today.
So when you do chicken and chips?
Fridays.
Fridays. And which days again? Fridays and which days? Fridays alone. Come on, man, let's be beer, man. Just tell me such a shy, you know. And guys, I'm telling you something, guys. I'm going to our secret now. She's not really shy, but what happened to her now, she's saying that I'm not appropriate, I'm not should dress up, but I said, come on, man, a Jamaican style, man. So, you know, Jamaican style where we're doing little food stuff. She said she's shy. Come on, man. Yes, man. And I mommy that. I mommy that. Mommy look braver than you. Like, a mommy never talk to.
Yeah, go talk to mommy. Mommy, we talk about things.
Mommy, she know about her business in the mommy. After we come lift her up, you know. She said she's shy. Come, mommy, come out just first. We're at you just first. We soon go buy a beer, because we buy all the juice up this a while ago. Money run out, we soon come buy all the beer.
Yeah.
Don't worry yourself, but we're going to go and look on the food first. Let me see that chicken pan. Let me see that jerk chicken pan. Oh, you sell out already? Oh, that's why she's shy, so she don't really have much left, but we still up on it the same way. See it right here? Nice, and Sister Charlotte fries. So what's your name? Tell me your name, man. When you can come out, see
My name is Kelly Artet.
Kelly Artet.
Yeah.
Alright, Tet. Yeah, man, Jamaican people love give people nickname, you know, so this is Tet. The wonderful jerk chicken and also the fries and wagon. Just jerk chicken and fries they do. Fridays and Saturday.
And French fried chicken.
And French fried chicken.
Yeah.
Great. Alright guys, so we still bring her in. I know she said she's shy. And mommy inside here, so she want to come buy her beer. We're going to look at, as a matter of fact, we're going to look at mommy place before me even buy a beer.
That's my stall over there.
Oh, you have a stall too? Yeah, man, see. So mommy run the bar in here. Yeah. So this is mommy bar settings. So you might come and want a piece of chicken, you can have a chill spot. Here we have our bar settings. Yeah, man, see there, you get your juice, you get your red stripe beer. Ooh, you see it there? Yeah, man. But all the time hot, red stripe beer is good for you. And you have a little poker. Yeah, man, see a poker right here. You know, say, mommy shall pay me because I have blessing and I have big up in the mommy. So I not charge you, mommy. Not charge you free advertisement. I'm blessed myself, mommy.
Yeah.
Alright. So that was the little chef, mommy. Yeah, mommy's not shy like she. So we're going over there, so now we're going to meet he's a jerk man not too. Soupy. Alright, we'll go over there too. So we're gonna meet the next soup man across the road here, guys. Yeah, man. So, alright, guys, so we're gonna meet the soup man over there. We're gonna meet the soup man over there, so. Yeah, man, the sun's sticky, very hot. The sun is very hot. Yeah, man. This is the grape, man, I was telling you about. This is the grape soupy. Yeah, man, so the grape soup here. Bless yourself again, my brother. Yeah, man, so you know that I'm doing something different, but nevertheless, we can't leave him out of the place, because everybody know about this man at night time. The man are going very late tonight. Hours the man, you want to say, you know? Yeah, man, so this is the great soup, man, right half. So, we see if the done for last. So, what are you doing today? What kind of soup you do today again? Red peas.
Chicken foot.
Nice. So this is and kung soup. Yeah, guys. So like we say, I do something different, but me I come catch him so one day, you know, guy, when him start it, you know. So I'm going to see soup now. The people see soup now. It look like pot, the big old pot where you have the soup and the conch and the red peas right off here. So see there, guys. Beautiful. Whoa, see there? Nice. And this is a little pot right over here. That's the one now. That's the conch. Nice. See it right here, guys. Ooh. See, so when you come out, because you know, saying I'm going to come out all a while. Yeah. Enough times to come film, I'm come film on a day, a different settings. Every day there, you know. Yeah, man, come here when I'm gone, you fly out.
Yeah, but you fly out, you know.
You know, man. You know, man. Nice. Because I say, boy, you know, it's a long time to flick them on there about, we just started now. Yeah, couple, about 2 years now. Yeah, at them time, you know. Yeah, man. About 2 years now, man. Every time I come film, because there's a little thing that go on half years in the day also, you know. Some little porridge, you know. But you know, him come out in the evening and come do him like a soup, him like a conch soup and him jerk chicken. Yeah, man, the man a famous man. I think a film table down there, you know, guys. See down there, yeah, man. So the famous man, this right there, man. So, like I said, guys, you can come and give me like a support right off here. So, Friday and Saturday. Every day there now, in the evening. Every day, man, same day in the evening. Every day. So, but every time you pass Windward Road, guy, you must see him over here. So give me a name again, no? Fully bad. I would say fully bad, I mean. Bad up the chef thing here, so nobody take it different times. Bad. I know that's matter about. Bad up the cooking. Yeah, man, when you come back, you say, half you come back and you say, oh, we buy that from fully bad. Man, have him customer all through the day right here. See it here? Yeah, man, him customer them come all while come support him. So him say fully bad. You mean him bad up him soup, him bad up him chicken. Yeah, man, him bad up the fire too. Yeah, man, the man bad on the fire and the cooking. Yes, man. Yeah, man. So that's what they call him, the fully bad. So like I said, I'm giving you something different. We're not catching the fire just a start. Yeah, man, but guess what? We say I just walk by and make us see the Windward Road settings who are going on Windward Road. And further, if I can go down the road again, guys, there's more food on the road. You know? But we're not going in. Yes, so we're stopping right at fully bad, you know. we stop at fully bad. We're not going to further under the blue tent. You understand me? I say, anytime you come by, you say you can get your soup, your jerk chicken. You understand? Fully bad, you do fries. You get fries ready, so we just came from a while ago, the lady over there. So, yeah, man. So, fully bad, you do juice too?
Yeah, man.
Fully bad, all the juice. Natural juice?
Everything there.
Everything fully bad, do.
So roll out with it.
Ah, see it there, see it there. So not because there's a local supermarket beside fully bad. When them lock fully bad still there, so them juice. Yeah, man, say if you pass and go one night and you want something to drink, you still stop at fully bad food.
Right.
Yes, no, right, that's right there. So much share your soup fully bad? That big one there?
Big one, 700.
700. And the smallest one how much?
300.
300. Nice guy, cheap, affordable. Nice. Yeah, man. So, you drink a soup here all the while, sir? Yeah, every time. See, a real customer there, man say every time. Every time. Yeah, man. Number one fan. What you say? Nah, left you out. Ah, boy, see man, number one. See them say every time. Yeah, man. And when you just start to go small about them, go big. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself every time. Don't know. Yeah, man. So, that's where you find fully bad. And check out fully bad place. Clean to it, what you want to think. Clean settings. The man understand about the clean settings, you know, see it right there? Yeah, man. All I want shoes clean to the man. Yeah, man. Fully bad say clean settings, guys. Yeah, man. And you know, I like clean settings. When the place is clean, promote it. You understand? Because if you find the rest of part of the road might dirty, you know, fully bad insist that film ends clean, different from anything else. You understand? You're not even gonna fly. Wow, the breeze will fly them. Come in, gonna fly. You're not no fly about here. The way the place is free for combo here. Yeah, man. The way the place set clean, fly free for combo here. That's what fully bad say. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, and I want to with Jamaican settings on one soup. Yeah, man. But fully bad a load of our soup, man. Right here. That one here for 7 bit fully bad. 7 bits for that one, bro. Yeah, man. That's a fully bad shearings.
I'm gonna do a video with my tiger.
We try the conch soup up there. You know, she want to give me red peas, but I say no, we're going down the road for red peas. So we try fully body red peas. So we try and look at conch up the road there, but we're going to try fully body red peas. You understand? And as you can see, fully body soup. So far we must here look rich. You know, the man in a stretch them soup. You fully body? No stretching around here. We're going to throw a white and a soup around here and stretch it. Yeah, man. For one, it done. Yeah, man. When you see pot tilt, you know say I done it done. Nah, stretch nothing. That's how we fully bad say. And that's how we see. Yeah, man. We're drinking now on the fully bad. We're out here. We're trying now, make them so I go on. Now I'm going to drink this. Yeah, man. Respect the people them so I go on the fully bad. How you feel like? No else them fully bad say. Hold on there. Make him say it himself. You don't want to tell me say it.
No else we can't go and get it better from here.
Ah, Baba. See you there. Real fully bad. Yeah, man. Before I fully bad in the car, enough time fully bad when come after 7 days, man.
Yeah, the teacher, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, Baba, see there? Yeah, man. Them are in it fully bad. Yeah, man. Them are in it fully bad. And when I like with fully bad, I just tell them while ago, the man place clean. Yeah, man. Bucket of water on them table. Sweep up. And the thing, I don't know, but I tell you, I not cap, I not lie. Me not snuff fly. The place clean. You understand? Breeze a blow. Sun a shine. Fully bad there so. I do him thing. I do 1 and 2 customers them fly past a while ago. Come drive past early and I pay man, this is up there so. I buy them soup. Yeah man. So we're gonna try fully bad soup right here. See there guy? Small cup of soup. You get that for 3 bills. So it rich and thick right there. So guess what I'm going to do? We're going to say if him have the mama hand style and him hand them, you know. Yeah man, because when them say mommy teach you how to cook, you know, not come like when your man teach you how to cook food, you know, you see me? Full of bag, guess what? But the wrong while I'm going to full of bag. I should make him put in a bigger cup. I got to tell him a small cup. Just to taste and look like me know a bigger cup. Full of bad. Hey, trick you all again, man. Full of bad trick me. But me know him do. Me have to come back. Me have to come back. Because full of bad say, what you want? I'm going to say, full of bad, that small cup, you know. And the first sip me taking him, I wish we can take the big cup of the man and give you. But him trick me, man. You hold me, man, because we can solve. We have to come back. Full of bad, I'm not telling you that. I don't know if you want to tell your secret, but I taste some soup and like me I taste one thing where you're throwing it. It does have a thing that me want. Drink it off. Don't know if you want to tell me full about it. If I was a secret, you know, if you want to be a secret like KFC, but something in that soup you always say, have to come back, brother. How about you tonight? Tell me how I hear, brother. you said no, talk about there was some custom here I go. You said nah, tell me, but yeah, brother, fully bad.
Yeah, man, I mean, them are follow. I'm not afraid of that.
Guys,
I don't know what everybody have to live.
we're not cause eruption.
Yeah, we're not cause eruption.
So,
I love the deal with.
I know where I'm going. What you mean I love your deal with? I love nice soup.
Yeah, I make it taste
That's why it tastes so. Love nice soup. And I want to my life with full bad. For ever since we meet full bad, you know. Them man have smile from 2 years ago, the man still a smile, brother. Look at the man. Check him out, guys. What you see how you get? In the photo. See that? The man smile, brother. See that? You hear full bad? I like that. Nah, nice. That's what the man say, boy, when you cook. Put some. Yeah, brother. The soup bad. I not tell you, nice. Soup nice. Feel like I come back Lord, but that fish. If you go there on the team, I ask you first. Yeah. This I got editing, yeah.
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 You can do that?
Hmm?
You can just make my voice a big up my person.
You can do that, but not for sure, you can't for me.
Yeah, man. That's
Yeah,
why
man,
I'm
Yeah.
I'll show you this. Okay, when we there in the world.
Yeah.
This. And this. Yeah,
You
brother,
come
this
back.
a man as well.
That's
Okay, when we there in the world, but I'm going to get a taste there.
Nice. I'm tripping all already.
Yeah.
Let me go to a little one and taste it, brother. I wish you could get the big old
Then, brother,
Manchester United. That woman, you carrying that, would that? I'm a new cup.
Wow, man, that them man are so from.
Small league, this is but big league.
When I notice how them man are so rich.
Yep. Nice.
That are the number one thing where you can look from the sea.
Yeah.
Different from taste.
Soup rich.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, no,
put
me taste
all
it.
in it, brother.
Yeah,
So
taste
them
it,
man are
man.
work for me, see
Yeah,
me?
taste it.
Yeah, man.
I know say in Jamaica, you know, Saturday a soup day, you know. And then guess what? Well, leave in the description. Sunday hour. Yeah, man, you know that day there, so you know, so Saturday a soup day. And not to say them not look about the rice and peas, just the same white rice, but Saturday in most home in Jamaica, a soup. And that soup here tastes like a mama ingredients news. Nice. Yeah, man. The guys.
No, man, I have
Yeah, man.
that one day.
Nice. Watch out. Alcan night, you know. Alcan, yeah, man.
Yeah.
So no. Yeah, man. Yeah, here, man, can talk, man.
Oh, you can talk?
Yeah, man.
Oh, what may I say? No, wait there, listen, man, fam. You, me there?
Yeah, guys, welcome back. So, you know, we just tried fully bad soup a while ago. And, you know, today I sat there, soup day. Yeah, for jerk day, you know, because, you know, jerking and thing, but, you know, on the stretch here where I show you just now a while ago, it's more like a lot of soup going on today, you know, so you also get your jerk chicken, you understand? You get your fries, and then I'm going to show you up that road up there, guys. You see later on from now, up this I go BC too. Look. settings is where you find Donun Technical, straight up that school up that road. Zoom it in a little bit. Zoom in. Two side of the road is where you can find out person come out in the night, come to them fries, them chicken. Yes man, right up the road up there. It's gonna go on right over here. So a lot of food going take place on Winwood Road off here, so man. Yes, great. Yes, so we're here with one fully bad. Great, fully bad. Yeah man. Yes man, so we like the settings guys, so you know we're there today. So this is all fully bad. Fix about the fire right here.
Yeah man. Right over.
Fully bad, I fix about the fire, keep the soup warm. Yeah man. You say no cold soup boy here, that's the warm. Bust the gas. Yeah man. So say fully bad I come out with the natural juice next week or you just not on today. Just not on today, but him have him natural juice him do. So you come boy here say you want your natural juice, fully bad have that too. Yeah. So fully bad just put some coal under the fire there. Yeah.
One of this.
Nice. So I'm going to go for the manual size and the small size. Yeah, man, so customer want them not the smaller size, they need a little medium size. Yeah, man. So fully bad. Like I said guys, we are with fully bad. You know, so when they say fully bad in Rima, them call him fully bad because you know, bad up the chef thing, them love him thing, a lot of person pass, you know, pass the video for a while because you know they don't want them on the camera and thing. But you know, a lot of person come here and big up the real man for the soup thing, yes man. And I can be attest to that. The soup tastes very good guys. Yeah man, so fully bad. We're gonna link again, we're just travel back up the road again. Bless up yourself brother. Yeah man, I don't know. So we're going straight up the road again guys and so we're going. Friday? Yeah, of course. Yeah man, we're linking Friday. So full of us linking Friday. You understand? So different things up on the menu for Friday. Yeah man, we're coming up for fully bad man. So are you alone Friday and fully bad? Nobody else. Early morning, what's the things? Me see you. So we shout. Alright. So yeah guys, so we are traveling back up the road again guys and so we're going. So where we start is where we're going to finish. Yeah, so that's where I park, straight up by the road up there. Yeah man, so we're going straight back up the road where we start. Yeah man, so we'll share what takes place on Winwood Road here. Yeah. So we're going back the road. And no worries man, you can always stop by, you know, park up by your thing them on the roadside right here. So yeah man, what about business place on Winwood Road? Yeah man. And you have the juicy beef and all them little thing there on the Winwood Road settings. Yeah man. So we're going straight back up the road up here. Under the blue tent. Yeah man. And my car is up there. A lot of person really don't like come on camera, you know. It's Jamaican. We don't really like camera, especially if we have on the right settings, clothes, hair. Yeah man, we don't really do camera. Yeah, but we love camera. But we have to dress up. I want our friends see we in our little slippers with dirt upon it. Our hairstyle pull up, or fix up. Yeah, so we don't say camera. We don't do them thing there. So we're here man. Back into the place right there. right here is where we start. And we're going to start it right here. And we're back under the building here. Where we start is where we're going to finish. Nice. We're back with a great lady right here. Right off here. So we are back with the beautiful Ashley under the tent. Ashley, right?
Nope.
How name Ashley again? Ashley. Oh, a TikToker named Ashley. And this is Ashley Mommy, which you don't believe.
Yeah.
We don't believe.
So life unfair, guys. And Tanisha make him there, you know.
Yeah, man.
And when him do everybody, then broke him.
Well, I say it go.
They don't think Tanisha get a water.
Water, she said she wants. Them down there say they want guineas. So we give them guineas.
That is his.
So whenever it's a supplement. Whenever it's a supplement.
So
I asked them what they want, them said water. And pretty girl right there said Coca-Cola.
You just suggested
Then it's a
that cut it out.
Rock out it out. Rock out it out. You know Jamaican man, that's how we stay. Look on TikTok soon can come see us.
They bring one back to rum.
Alright, Rock come back again. You're there every day, so Rock pass back again, make sure you're there. So where you say you want rum? Where do you rum?
Drink! Oh my god, I love rum.
You like rum?
Yeah.
So you not go drunk, man?
Nah.
You never cook the soup?
No, soup cook already. Just say I
Soup cook
share
already?
food.
Alright. So guys, it was nice speaking to these beautiful ladies, and like I said, they've been Facebook with you, and we're gonna come out one more time. So where I start is where I come finish. So catch me again under the tent them on the road. Thank you for your support, you guys, and for all who was wondering where I was, is because of the 9 to 5 hold me out the road, so we'll never on it again. So until we meet again, Dave and Taste Bud, peace out.